Hi, this is Howard Fleischman Sr. from Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. I'd like to talk about summer maintenance. Even with the COVID-19 going on, maybe it's a better advantage because you've got that car sitting in the garage. If you think you want to get it ready for summer, give us a call. We'll come pick it up, check the battery, check the tires, make sure that all your maintenance is up to date, check your air conditioner, so on and so forth. Be glad to do that for you because you want it to be ready when you go out and things are better. So if you want to try and do some of this stuff at home, we can go through that. Check your tire pressure. You know where to find your tire pressure. It's on the driver's side door on the door placard. That's the proper pressure for your vehicle. Do not go off the pressure listed on the tire. It has nothing to do with your vehicle. Check your tread. Make sure your tread is at least, use a penny or a quarter, and if it doesn't touch the president's head, it's time for replacement. While we're talking about that, with this COVID-19 going on, we've had all kinds of tire plants shut down. So in my estimation, there's going to be a shortage in a few months. So we're trying to add to that shortage right now with us. 2 times 2, buy 2, get 2 free. Come in and see us. Let's keep you safe. Let's talk about the air conditioner. You can check the air conditioner, the basic structure of your air conditioner, and then by getting in the vehicle. And of course, you first kind of cool it down. You turn it to the recirc and use that recirc to bring it down to the proper temperature. Once it's the proper temperature, you turn it back up to the temperature you want to maintain. To check and see if it's working efficiently, take a meat thermometer, stick it in one of the vents. It should be optimal 42 degrees, but if it's running 42 to 45, you're just fine. The other thing you can do is check the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter gets clogged up with debris, viruses, pollen, so on and so forth. And it's going to restrict the air. And if it restricts the air, the air conditioner can't work properly. Again, you can check it, you can bring it to us, we'll check it, we'll come get it, whatever it takes. We are open for business. Come see us. We're going to keep you safe. Give us a call, we'll pick up your car, whatever it takes. Stay safe, and thank you for this opportunity.